So number 3 is a great Desmos problem. So pause the video and open up the graphing calculator. So what we're going to do for number 3 is literally type this, don't copy it, type this into Desmos exactly how it is, and then start the video again. So this right here, we are typing into Desmos, and then you'll start the video again. So once you have your graph in Desmos, I would zoom out to see what you're looking at. And our green graph is what we just typed in. So in order to find, oops, that's not what I want. In order to find the equivalent expression, what we're going to do is start typing in A and then B and then C and then D into Desmos until we find a graph that matches this green graph perfectly. So pause the video and we're first going to type A into Desmos. So I just typed A into Desmos. You should have done the same thing. And we have this purple line and we can see that it does not overlap on top of the green line perfectly. So the answer is not A. Let's try typing in B into Desmos. Pause the video, type in B, and then we'll see if that works. So I typed in B into Desmos. You should have done the same thing. And then we get this purple line, and it does not match our green graph perfectly, so we know that it's not B. The answer can't be B. Now let's type in C into Desmos, pause the video, type it in, and then we'll come back together. All right, so I just typed in option C, and this is the closest graph that we've had so far, but it does not overlap with the green graph exactly. So we're gonna type in B into Desmos, pause the video, and then once you do that, we'll come back together. So I have option D typed in, and this green graph and the black graph are on top of each other perfectly. It's like we can only see one of the graphs because the black line is the only one that's showing. So our answer for number 3 has to be D because this is the only graph that overlapped perfectly on the first expression we were given.